Grandpa and I are making ice cream muffins. This recipe has 2 ingredients. I'm using 1 cup of ice cream and 1 cup of self-rising flour. You can use any flavor of ice cream that you like. I'm using all natural mint chocolate chip. And I'm going to show you what these would look like if you use the green mint chocolate chip also. The first thing I'm going to do is wait till the ice cream softens. This is a very old recipe, at least 60 years old. This recipe was in one of my mother's old cookbooks. I put the ice cream in a mixing bowl and I spread it around so it'll melt faster. The ice cream is now all melted, so all we have to do is add the flour to the ice cream. Grandpa's gonna mix the batter. If you hear a noise in the background, it's my oven preheating. See, this is very simple, only 2 ingredients to make these ice cream muffins. The batter looks a little dry, so we're going to add a teaspoon of ice cream. I still think the batter's too thick, so I'm adding another tablespoon. Now we're going to scoop it into our muffin tins. Now I'm going to show you how the green ice cream will look. We put 2 drops of food coloring in. 2 drops of green food coloring. This recipe normally makes 6 muffins. If you want to make more, you'll have to double the recipe. Now we're putting the muffins into the oven, and they'll have to bake for at least 12 to 15 minutes. It's been 12 minutes and my ice cream muffins look like they're done. They look very good. Look how nice they grew. Now we're going to let the muffins cool. We're going to cool them in the pan. After they cool, we'll take the muffins out. Grandpa and I are splitting a muffin. How's it taste, Grandpa?
Let you know in a minute, Ma. Tastes good. Minty. It tastes like mint chocolate ice cream that we put in there.
Now I'm going to taste my piece. You could definitely taste the mint chocolate chip ice cream. Delicious. Look how nice the color matches my plates. And thank you, Janet, so much. These plates match our favorite mugs that Janet sent us. Thank you so much. We love them. And with the hearts and the cats and the flowers, they're just so pretty. Wow, Grandpa, you finished yours so fast. Lightning speed.
Only in 2 bites.
In 2 bites? I'll definitely make them again. And then it would be fun because you could try different flavors. If you like butter pecan, if you like chocolate, whatever ice cream is your favorite, these would be delicious.